These are the best chicken tacos we've ever eaten. They're unusual and extraordinarily good. They're a combination of Palestinian and Mexican food. For the chicken marinade, add olive oil, salt, and sumac. Next, add Baharat spice mix. Baharat is a mix of 9 different spices. You can buy this mix, but we made ours. Add cumin, coriander, peppercorns, cinnamon, green cardamom, allspice, cloves, nutmeg, and bay leaves. Grind the spices until fine. This mixture is very aromatic. It's very common in Middle Eastern cuisine. After adding the baharat and stirring it in, marinate the chicken. If you're cutting up a whole chicken, we have a video on the easiest way to do it. You can also just slice up a chicken breast, but buying a whole chicken is much more affordable and flavorful. Add all the chicken pieces and stir well to soak every piece. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. We left ours overnight and it was very flavorful. Slice up 4 onions. They're a star ingredient in this dish. You're going to caramelize them and infuse them with spices. Add lots of olive oil to a large pan on medium. Add the onions and stir constantly. Once they're translucent, add salt and mix. Turn down to low and cover. Continue stirring frequently. It will take about an hour for them to caramelize. The time is so worth it for that sweet flavor. If you notice the liquid has evaporated, add a tablespoon or 2 of water. When the onions are lightly browned, add the baharat and sumac. Mix and continue cooking uncovered until the water has evaporated. Set aside. Now it's time to roast the chicken. Place the pieces on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Top the chicken pieces with the remaining marinade and spread it around. Bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the chicken is baking, toast the pine nuts for 5 to 10 minutes or until they're golden brown. Keep a close eye on them as you don't want them to burn. After 15 minutes, take the chicken breasts off the pan as they cook faster than the legs and thighs. Return to the oven for 5 minutes. We got the excellent idea of eating Musakhan and tacos from Haifa of Fufu's kitchen blog. Now for the salad. Or is this a salsa? Anyway, it's a cross between a Mediterranean salad and Mexican Pico de Gallo. Cut up 4 medium tomatoes and remove the core, because that part is very juicy and will make the tacos too runny. When scooping in food, always use the back of your knife to avoid dulling the blade. Dice half a red onion and add it. We used 2 Lebanese cucumbers, but any kind will do. We know eating musakhan and tacos is unusual. Let us know what you think of this in the comments. Slice up a jalapeno. We leave the seeds in, but you can take them out if you want. Finally, chop a small bunch of coriander. If you like the content in this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Add salt and olive oil and stir gently. Some lime juice is always nice. Slice the chicken while still warm. Musakhan is typically served on taboon bread, with a caramelized onion spread over it and whole chicken pieces on top. To show our solidarity with the Palestinian people, we've been making Palestinian food. This time we decided to fuse Palestinian cuisine with Mexican, and the result is Musakhan tacos. Warm tortillas on a comal or a pan. We have a video on how to make and warm tortillas. These are store-bought, but homemade is even better. For each taco, spread on warm caramelized onions, the warm chicken, and a little salad and pine nuts. The spice on these chicken tacos makes them unusual. And combined with the sweet caramelized onions and fresh salad, they're just incredible.